Today we're gonna be changing a throttle cable for a KLX 110 or who knows what. Sorry about the noise, but yeah, mine is toast. So first off, we're gonna have to take off this seat and then the gas tank. Obviously, gonna have to turn off the gas, right? And yeah, I'll catch you when I'm doing that. All right, so I got the gas tank off, got the seat off, and side panels. Didn't film that because that'd just be boring. But it's basically just all in 8mm. So yeah, it shouldn't be a problem. I got a little ahead of myself and just got this cable off. It's just right on there. It just screws right off right here. Okay, so you gotta first let me get this thing scooched up a little bit. This rubber, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so if you can see, there's a little pin right here. You're gonna have to get a flat head screwdriver and just pop it out. It should just come right off. Then just unscrew this, and this will loosen. And the wire is on here like that. I'll show you how that's done after I'm done doing this. Actually, before I do that, let's first take off this thing. So you want to do that is there's just a cover right here, two bolts, cross. Just first, you're just gonna want to take this thing off right here. The reason why I'm changing mine is just because mine's just too short. Just cutting it. Put here. Yeah, let me get this. There we go. So it just comes off just like so. And that should give me enough room and tension to take it off right here. So the wire comes down to here, goes through, see this little crack right here? It's sitting right there. You're gonna have to take it out through this crack, and that's how you should get it on or off. Okay, I'll show you this. So I got this off right here, and right here, it's quite easy. You just push this wire forward and this down. I'm gonna need two hands for this, but you can see that in here, if you push it, it just comes up like that. Should be easy, and it just pops right out. Should just quick move. So got it off. This just comes off. Just place it down. As you can see, it goes straight through, and you can just pull it right out. It's just a little bit of moving around. Should come right off. Some people like to cut it, but yeah, it just comes right through. Alright, got the new cable through this thing. It just slides right through. Actually might even put this little cover on this old one, and yeah, start putting it back together. Should be quite easy. Just right here, put this right through there like that, just like so, and then push it, and like before, through the hole, and it just comes up and pops in. Shouldn't be a problem. Alright, so I'm gonna actually have to go through this little hole right here, this new cable, so it just sits in the perfect spot. So let's do that. So after you got the pin in or whatever, you just basically just stick it right in and screw it on, and get this pin on there too, because that keeps it from sliding this thing off. And yeah, I'm just having a little bit of difficulties just with this thing right here, because it just doesn't want to screw in there. But to get into there, you have to take this thing off. You're gonna have to pull this wire through here and then put it in there, and then you can put everything together. Because if you take this thing off and put it on the hair like that, you can't put it back together. You're gonna have to take this wire and put it through this hole put it on this white plastic, and then put it back together.